In this tutorial, we are going to learn about custom keywords. What are custom keywords? How to create and use custom keywords. What are custom keywords and why do we use? In Catalan Studio, we have seen that there are many keywords available to work on or to perform actions on different objects. It may happen that many a times you need to perform some custom actions to be performed on the objects or elements in your project, and you do not find suitable built-in keyword for it. At that time, you have to create your own custom keywords and use it in the project. So let's see how to create the custom keyword. In Catalan Studio, I have two test cases. One is test login, having the steps for login to the application, and another one I have is the test keywords, wherein I have logged into the application and performed few actions on the application to book the appointment. So for this, we will create a custom keyword to log in into the application. How to create the custom keyword? In our project, there is a keywords folder. You can right click on this keywords folder and click new package. Keywords should be included in the package. So you can create a new package. I will create a new package as com. If you have existing package, then you can select new keyword and you can browse the package and select that package. Now I will create the class. Class name will be login test keyword, login test key. Okay, I will click OK. There are some sample keywords available, custom keywords available in Catalan. You can use those. You can generate the sample keywords if you want. For now, I will not generate the sample keywords. I will create the new keyword. So click OK. This window will appear after clicking OK. Now, here the package is created with com and the class is created with login test key. In this class, we will add method. You can add any method. I will add the method as public void login test k. In this method, we will write the required actions of login. I will copy the actions because we have already given the actions over here. I will copy these actions from here and I will paste these actions to my method because I am creating this reusable method of login. I have removed close browser code. I have added open browser, navigate to URL, and click to the make appointment button, enter the username, password, and then click login button. So this is our method, but this is not called as the keyword unless and until you add the annotation as keyword. This will be called as the keyword. Our keyword is ready. Keyword has a extension as .groovy. How to use this keyword? To use this keyword, now I don't need these actions. I will comment these actions. I have kept only close browser action, and here we will use our keyword. You can add the keyword by writing custom keywords dot com, that is your package name, dot the first letter of your keyword. So here comes your keyword and you can press enter. So this keyword is made up of custom keywords. Com is your package name, login test key is your class name, and login test k is your keyword name. This is the custom keyword that we have used in our test. We can use this same keyword in our another test keywords. Here also we have the login code. So we will comment this code and we will add our keyword custom keywords .com login test key. Now we can execute and see whether the custom keyword is accepted and is working fine. You can also add the custom keyword from keywords browser. In keywords browser, here is custom keywords. You can click on it and down here is your keyword. You can drag and drop the keyword wherever you want. In manual mode, you can add your keyword by clicking add and custom keyword. Here you have to select your keyword and that is it. I will delete it for now. This way we can add the custom keyword and this is non-parameterized keyword. We will see about the parameterized keyword after execution of this test. Let's execute this test. Test execution is started and now the browser will launch. Browser launched and open the URL. So open URL, browser launching, these all things we have given in our custom keyword till the login. So everything is working fine. It is taking the values from the custom keyword. This way you can create small methods, reusable methods in custom keywords, or you can use some keywords like we have the verifying keywords or wait keywords or click set text keywords. You can create the keywords, such keywords for your project as per the requirement of your project. Our code is executing. Our test is passed. Now let's learn about the keywords having parameterization. We will create a new keyword in the package com named check element present test. The package is com and the class is check element present test. In this class, I will create method check element present test. In this method, we will pass the parameters test object and time integer. I have created this keyword wherein we have I just told you that we have passed two parameters. One is test object and another is timeout. And here we have created the instance of a web element and we found the web element uh, giving the test object and the timeout specified timeout. If the element is found, then the test case is passed and we print that element is present, and if the test case is failed, then we print element is not present. So this is the element present or not present keyword. Now we will use this keyword in our test case. We will go to test login test case. Here for now I will comment this custom keyword which we previously used, and we will add the custom keyword for our username field. I will add our custom keyword over here. Custom keyword dot in single quote com dot our class name and then our method name or keyword name. Then our parameters, that is test object. So we are going to find the username test object, comma, the timeout. I will give the timeout as 10 seconds. Save this and we will execute this. In this case, after clicking make appointment button, it finds for the object for username field and then it will set the text to the username field. Let's execute the test. Our test is executed. Now we will see the log viewer. In the log viewer, there is tree view. You can see the results in the tree view, and here we see the step-by-step execution the results. In this case, it opened the browser, then navigated to URL, then it started the action to click on the make appointment button, ended that action after clicking make appointment button, and started action check element present test custom keyword, and element is present, it passed, and then the action to set text to username has been performed. So this way you can use different custom keywords. You can create yourself and use the custom keywords as per your requirement of the project. There are some custom keywords which Catlon has provided in the store. You can use those custom keywords also. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel and would like to learn Catlon Studio from beginning to advanced, then please click subscribe and bell icon below this video.